So students, we have seen boron nanotubes. We have seen comparison between carbon nanotubes and boron nanotubes. Now let us see the applications of nanotechnology. Okay. So overall, not the carbon nanotubes or boron nanotubes. What are the innovative applications of nanotechnologies? So we have discussed in different topics, but to conclude, how nanotechnology is important. It is having vast applications in medical sciences, in biology. Then you can just see in energy, then space applications, bioenergy, then you can just see here the applications. So biosensors, then thin films, then CO2 capture and convergence, then fuel cells, fluorescent sensors, drug delivery. So these are just medical applications. Then electrocatalyst. We have seen what is meaning of the catalyst. What is the importance? It will reduce the cost also. Coatings also they are used. Then hydrogen storage. Then photothermal therapies. So you can just see they are using batteries. Then supercapacitors. Karandika sir told you supercapacitor applications. So, nano materials, all these what we have seen graphene, carbon nanotubes, fullerene, or boron nanotubes, they are having vast application. In water purifiers also we have seen. Okay, so just remember the applications of nanotechnology. They are finding nano fabrics have also come. So it is finding textile, agriculture, automotive, construction, almost all sectors, cosmetics also, electronics, environment, food, nano food also have come. Means just like a pills and medicines, of course, some home appliances, then petroleum, printing, renewable energy, sports and fitness, everywhere. So you will just see nanotechnology applications are vast. Okay, implant technology. So already I told you they can just be inserted in the bodies also to have different functions also. Then advanced diagnostic, cancer detection, oral detection we have seen. Nano robots have also come. Nanomedicines, just like a simple example, homeopathy tablet, that is the version of like this, not exact, but in the similar way. Okay. So these are vast applications of nanotechnology. Pharmaceutical applications are more. Clean energy applications is also there. And main advantage of nanotechnology is characteristics will be changed tremendously. They will be very stable and very freeze dried, and then successful tissues targeting to many drugs and protection of these are advantage in just biological things. Okay, now one topic is remaining from our chapter, which is special topics of nanotechnology. So, just what is the special topics of nanotechnology? So, two, three bits are there, so that I would like to cover, and that will be conclusion of this chapter. So, first is single electron transistors. You have studied the transistor, but now, as nanotechnology, we are discussing only one electron can perform the function of transistor, which is called as ACT. Short form you have to know. ACT means single electron transistor. So they are promising because they are the applications of nanoscaled. These will be very nanoscale, only one electron. And because single electron device retain their scalability, so you can just control the motion of even single electron. So therefore, single electron devices are used as ultra large scale integrated circuits. So you can just see ultra large scale, not very large scale. VLSI, so like VLSI, ULSI is also there. And in ULSI, ultra large scales, you can find applications of single electron devices also. And they will have attributes of extremely high integration and extremely low power consumption, because structure will be nano, only one electron will be there, so power required will be also less, so power consumption will be less. So these are the single electron transistor. You have just studied a transistor, so you know what is the transistor and for what purpose it is used. So these are single electron transistors. MOSFET, you know, so you can just say single electron transistor consists of small conducting island connected to a source and drain, leads by tunnel junctions and connected to one or more gates. So you know in transistor gates are there, source are there. And so operation will rely on single electron tunneling through a nanoscale junction. So all the structures inside that will be very nanoscale. So these are single electron transistor. Let us watch the video so you will understand the concept of single electron transistor in more detail. Okay. So first visualize that and then we'll discuss further. You can read here. Notion will is also less. So much small power, see 50 watts of power. 1/10,000. See, device size is reduced. 1/10,000.